Hi, hello everyone. My name is Malesh Korkoru and I am one of the aspirants from EduSkills family. Our mentor Father Salim Joseph taught us 12 steps in listening part A. Let's learn one by one. Step 1, 30 golden seconds reading time in each extract. Step 2, do the test under exam condition. Step 3, refer the answer key and identify the mistakes. Step 4, record your score on self-assessment form. Step 5, listen to the audio again and try to identify the answers and related strategies. Step 6, listen to the audio, read the script and highlight the strategies. Step 7, do detailed analysis of the audio, script and questions. Step 8, understand the sequence of the audio. Step 9, summarize the script. Step 10, focus on questions, keeps you on track. Step 11, listening to speaking role play. Step 12, listening to the health professional, which is the best preparation for the speaking subtest. Thank you.